going to show you how to download and add your Divine Digital Living Planner to GoodNotes. You're going to need your MacBook, iPad, Apple Pencil, and your GoodNotes app. First thing you're going to need to do is to complete your Divine Digital Living purchase in Etsy. Etsy will then send you an email containing the links to the email you have registered on your Etsy account. So if you're like me and you have multiple emails for different things, make sure you go to the email registered on your Etsy account. Open the email and click on the link for DDL Digital Planning Getting Started Guide. Once you download that, you're going to click the Finder and you're going to go to Downloads because it has now been downloaded to your Downloads folder. So double click on that and it's going to bring you to the first page of the Digital Planning Getting Started Guide. But first I want to thank you so much for purchasing my 2021 Digital Teacher Planner. I have thoroughly enjoyed developing this planner and creating the different pieces and parts to fulfill your needs as a teacher. Paperless planning is incredible, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. If there's anything you need to enhance your experience with this digital planner, just let me know. The following pages will get you started using the digital planner on your device. I have included a few videos to show you how to import your digital planner, how to add the stickers to your planner, and how to edit this planner using my iPad. So happy planning! So once you do that, you're going to want to click this home button right there. So double click the home button and it's going to take you to the fully linked page that will take you to every slide within this complete guide for your digital teacher planner. Since we all have iPads and we have the GoodNotes app, it's going to be very easy for us because all we have to do is go to this link right here under Links to my Digital Teacher Planner and Sticker Book for iOS devices using GoodNotes. So this is going to be super easy for us. So double click on that and it's going to take you to this page. And on this page it says click here to download the Digital Teacher Planner if you are using GoodNotes. So click on that. This is going to take you to my Google Drive. In the upper right hand corner, there's a little down arrow with a little file box. That's the download icon. So you want to double click on that and you want to click download anyway. And it's going to go to the bottom bar and it'll also go to your downloads folder. So you just want to double click on that and it's going to take you to your GoodNotes app. In here, it's going to say import to GoodNotes, and this is the file that we had downloaded. It's our teacher planner with stickers, and we want to import as a new document. So click yes. And that is all you have to do. It is ready to go. So now we are going to close our laptop and we are going to open our iPad and we're going to see just how easy it is. We have just finished. It's super easy. Once you open your iPad, you're going to want to click open the GoodNotes app. So my app, I keep it on the bottom panel. And so I'm going to look for the DDL Planner Teacher Stickers TP2. And this was the second one that I had downloaded. So it is right there. So I just click on it and it is ready to go. So you have just downloaded it from Etsy onto your MacBook and then uploaded it to or imported it into GoodNotes, then open up your iPad and it's there and ready to go. How easy is that? And now you're ready to plan.